Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a story which I have read from a story applications. There was a girl whose name is Ria. Ria lived with her mother, and they both work very hard. One day, Ria mother went market with Ria. Ria saw a pink necklace in market that was very expensive. Ria said to his mother, "Mom, I need this. I want this necklace." So her mother told her, "My daughter, this is very expensive. We we will earn a lot of money." Then Ria and his mother come back his home, and then he started working and he earning money. When they saved some money, then again he went to market, and at this time her mother purchased that necklace for Ria. Ria uh, Ria very loved this necklace. He wore that necklace, and always he wears when even she slept, she also wear that necklace. He she uh, always wear wore the necklace, and he when he goes to a school, on that time she also wear the necklace. Her dad say a day, "Hey Ria, give me that necklace which you wear." So Ria said, "Dad, I can't give you because I love very much this necklace. So I will give you another thing if you want." Then Ria father said, "Okay, then give." Then Ria's father take another thing from the Ria. Again another day Ria father said, "Ria, I want this necklace. If you give me, I can take this. I will take your necklace." So Ria again said, "No dad, I can't give you because I love you lot this necklace. We always wear this necklace." So Ria dad said, "Okay, no worry." Uh, then they live together again. Ria father said, "Ria, I want this necklace. If you give me, I can take that necklace." So Ria again denied to give his father to necklace. One day so Ria was sleeping, so his dad take her necklace. Suddenly Ria wake up and said, "Why are you taking this necklace?" So Ria father said, "This is the plastic necklace. I will give you original necklace of diamond. You always wear this necklace, but this is plastic. This one is original. Take this necklace. If you leave uh, wrong things, so God give you original things." So trust on God, God ever with you, and you live for a thing which you not important in your life. Always focus on those things which is important in your life. So this is my story which I have studied, which I have read today from the story applications. Thank you for listening me. I know I am not, I cannot do well. I cannot deliver this story as well as so, but I am trying to uh, deliver this uh, story as well as I read the story, but I am not able to deliver this time. That's why I am making lot of mistakes. Sorry guys for mistaking me. I do lot of mistakes every time. Every day I make a video to see my to reduce my uh, mistakes, but I cannot do very well. uh, Please apologize me for this mistakes. I will try next time I don't make mistakes. Thank you for listening me. If you like this my daily practice speaking and putting effort and struggling to speak English, so please like the video, and if you want you can say you can subscribe my video also. Thank you.